all, welcome to our channel Exclusive Collections. So today we are going to see a job update from a very big IT company, that is Tata Consultancy Services. So in this video we are going to see about who are eligible for this and what is the eligibility criteria and what is the registration process and what are the steps involved in. So please don't skip any part so that you can understand what is the entire process of hiring. Okay, now let's see who are eligible for this. So this hiring happens not only for 2023 pass outs and 2022 pass outs, it is also applicable for 2021 and 2020 pass outs. So yes, 2020 pass outs can also apply for this job. So the eligibility criteria for this is 60 percentile all over year academics including 10th, 12th and UG without any backlogs. So make sure you are not having any backlogs. If suppose you are an active user and you have an active backlog, please make sure you are clearing it before the interview process, because during interview process they will be asking for all the documents, and if they found you are not passed in any of the subjects, they will terminate in that second. You will be discarded out of the entire interview process itself. So make sure you are not messing up with a very big IT firm. Yeah, okay, so once you click on the link you will be getting it. You will be navigated to the next step portal. You can see this page where TCS has given two choices. One is IT and other one is BPS. Make sure only the people from India can apply from this, because it is only applicable for Indian people. So you cannot apply for both. You can choose any one out of this, either IT or BPS. So any other degree people can apply for BPS, and this is a permanent job. Make sure this is a permanent job and you are not going to pay any fees for the entire hiring process. So once you click on the criteria, any one criteria, either IT or BPS, you will be navigated to the next page. So this is the next page where they will be asking for an email ID. So make sure you are giving a proper email ID, because this is the only email ID you will be using, TCS will be using for the communication till the offer letters are rolled out, even for result communication, offer letter communication, joining communication. So make sure you are giving in some active email ID. So once you give an email ID and clicked on get OTP, you will be given 2 minutes of time. Before that you will be getting an OTP in your registered email ID. So you can get this email. You can see, right, your one-time password is, and you will get something like this. So you cannot copy paste over there. You just have to type in, and copy paste is disabled over there. And sometimes this OTP may get delayed. If you are not getting the OTP for the 2 minutes, then only click on resend OTP, because if suppose you keep on clicking on this reset OTP again and again, it will keep on loading multiple emails for the OTP, and you do not know what is the right one you have to enter, right? So make sure you are clicking only one time. Only if you are not receiving the OTP at the time, you just click on the other one. So be patient in this. So once you enter the OTP and navigating to the next page, you will get to enter all the basic details. So this is the page for entering basic details like last 4 digits of Aadhaar. Then you have to enter your first name, last name, which are mandatory, and date of birth, and give agree and proceed. So once you give and proceed, you will be navigated to the page where all the details were asked, including where you have studied, and you have to set a password, what is the institute, what is a qualification, and nearest TCS office. Make sure you are giving a nearest TCS office, because this will be the consideration for TCS ION centers where you will be giving your NQT test. So make sure you are giving a proper place over here. So you have to set a password here, so that when you next time navigate to this page, you will be ask for this password, and you can also select the security questions. If suppose you forgot the password, in that case now you will be asked for the security questions. So just remember the answers you are giving for this questions. So that's all about the registration process. So once the registration is completed, you will get an confirmation email over here, and in the confirmation email you will get a DT or CT number. Okay, this DT or CT number is kind of your reference number, so store it anywhere else, don't miss it, because this will be asked throughout the entire hiring process till the interview process. Make sure note it somewhere else. So once this is done, so next process is you will get a confirmation email. Then you can make use of those details for logging in and checking the status of your applications. So you can use your DT or CT reference number, or you can use your email ID. So remember the password whatever you have set in this next step portal, so that you can log in again properly without any issues, and you can check your application status over here. Okay, that's all about for this video, and you can check the description for the next step portal link, application link. And thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to